Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into HCSG Employee Portal. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in hub.hcsgcorp.com. Then you'll come across this login portal. Here, you'll have to enter your employee ID or email address associated with your account. Then tap on Login button. And that is how you can log into HCSG Employee Portal. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.